Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Aircraft Solution. Now let's go to the insert menu over here. So we have discussed all the options which are available in home menu. Let's go to the insert option and you will see different options here as well. So I'll go over here and first let me generate a blank page over here, blank PPT. Now you see first option what we have over here is text box. Once I click on it, I can just generate my own text box and whatever text I want, I can just put it over here. So I will write this is my text. Now, you see, I have so many options what I can do with this text box. Like in previous case, in elements, in drawing section we saw, it is very much similar to that. I can use this as well. For outlining, I can use black color, shape fill. I can put any shape I want. So this is what you can do with this option called in insert menu. You will see this option called text box. You can use it like this. And beside that, you have one option called table. So what this table option will do. So if I'm just going over here, it is asking me, it will just show me this matrix type. I can only select the number of rows and columns of the table I want. So let's say I want 4 columns and 3 rows over here. I'll just select. So I will get the 4 columns and 3 rows. So you will see table styles. As soon as I create a table, you will see table design and table layout over here. So we'll go through each option. First, you will see banded rows option. So if I just remove it, let me just do one thing first. I'll go to table layout and add more elements to this. Add more rows to it. So if I want to insert rows, what I will do is I will just select any cell, insert below. Like this, I can add. If I want to insert above this cell, I can just insert like this. And if I want to increase the columns also, I can just do like this. So this I am just doing to show you the option of banded rows and banded column. Banded rows means alternatively, the color will be somewhat different. So you see, if I am just disabling this option, all the columns, all the rows records color is same. But if I'm selecting this, it will be something like this. So if I'm selecting this option, header row, the header will be like normal column itself, normal row itself. But if I'm doing like this, it will be darker. Similarly, first column will be darker, last column will be darker, below bottom column. And if I want banded columns, I can use that as well. So these are all the options. Based on your thinking and based on your application, you can choose whatever format you want. So also, if you want to shade one particular cell, like this particular cell, if you want to highlight, you can do it just by using this button over here. So these are all the different basic options which are present in table design. Let's go to table layout now. You'll see there is a delete option. So if I want to delete one particular column or anything, so I have delete columns button. I will just delete it. That column is been deleted now. One column has been deleted. Now, if I want to delete any row, I will just go to that row and click on this delete row button. It is being deleted. If I'm just clicking on this, this whole table only be deleted. Now, next we have merge and split options. So split means if I'm selecting one column, so you see there is only one cell over here. So this is one cell. If I want to make two cells in it, I will go to the split option. So number of columns it is showing two, and I will just keep rows as one now. I'll click OK. So you see one cell has been divided into two cells right now. So this is what you can do with split option. I have just put Control Z over there. Now, you see merge option is not available to use, but if you're selecting two cells like this and then you see merge option is available. So what this merge will do is it will just convert these two blocks into one. I will just click on this merge button. So you see two cells have been converted to one single cell over here. Now, if you want to increase or decrease the height or width, you can use it like this of any cell. So I'm increasing the height, I'm increasing the width. And if you are choosing this option, distribute columns, distribute rows, so all the columns and rows will be distributed equally. And these are the options which we saw, like which are available, which you can apply to any text content. So if I have something like column, So if I want it to be aligned at center, I can do it. If I want it to the right, I can do it. And this is the column level, like vertical. So if I just try to increase this, you'll see this is at the center, this is at the bottom, this is at the top, like this. And also, if you want to decrease or increase the margin, like now the margin is normal for each cell I'm talking about. If I'm putting null over here, you see there is no margin. It means no padding between the content and the cell borders. So these are all the different options which will be available once you are using the table option in the insert menu.